Here's a quick vid of an air cooler which I've not used before. It's the Igenix IG9703. It's quite a neat looking little device actually. It's a tower unit. It's got a remote where you can perform all the controls you need to perform. Excuse any weird noises though, I've got my 1-month-old daughter here recording with me, so she might be speaking into the microphone. So you've got adjustable fan speeds, you've got a louver that you can move, albeit it's only a horizontal move, it's not a vertical movement. You can actually do the vertical vents or louvers manually, as you saw there. And it's a humidifier as well, so it actually puts moisture into the air. And the principle behind it is really, apart from just having a large fan, is it's got a pump system where it will pump water, ideally cooled water, down through this grill, if you like, this filter, or this matrix, and then it drops into the bottom there, and then gets recycled again in the tank. And here's the tank. It's got a float level, so it'll turn off if the water gets too low. And ideally you can put in cooled water in there with some cooled blocks or even some ice. It's got a rudimentary filter there just for return. And as you can see there, when it's in position, it's quite a neat little package. So the water stays in the bottom there, so it's quite well weighted. And then it will flow through and do a bit of a circuit and then drop back into the tank again. So yeah, there we go, there's the wattage, 55 watts. That's pretty conservative actually compared to air conditioners. Now of course it's nowhere near as cool as an air conditioner. That's not really what it's about, but it's quite a nice looking unit. And here's the water beginning to flow. So you can see there, just on the left, the water will flow all the way through that matrix and then drop back in the bottom here. So if this is cooled water, the fan will suck the air through that rear matrix and then blow it towards you, and it's maybe 1 or 2 degrees colder. And yeah, that's basically how it works. It's pretty neat. We got this for free from a friend, so I just thought I'd have a quick look at it. It's not something I'm going to use, I don't think. That filter matrix there, that kind of nice turquoise colour, is actually a hard material, so it's not a soft material, so it's easy to keep clean. So there's the water pumping well there. And it basically just filters down through all that, so it's quite neat. It's fairly well contained. I had a couple of drips initially when I was putting it together. This is inside, so you can see that's where the water will flow into there, down the hole, and then back down into the tank through that little tiny filter we saw. So there's that filter. Yeah, it's like a funny plastic type material. And this is inside, there's your pump. It will take the water up through that blue pipe, straight to the top. And then it returns just through the grill, the matrix, and then back down. And inside there's a nice rotary fan. It's not like a regular desk fan, it's one of the nice tube fans, tower fans, so it's quite quiet. So it's pretty neat really, it's very neat. So you've got your on-off button to the left, you've got your timer, you've got a different mode button, which doesn't really do a lot. Apparently it's like night mode for wafting the air in different ways, and in eco mode and full power. You've got your fan speed, and your louvers left and right, and finally your humidification and water cooling options. So you can just use it as a fan if you like on its own. So really it's pretty good, and if you use it as a fan on its own, it's actually pretty quiet, so I'll just play some sound in a second. So that's with the pump working. Without the sound of the pump going, it's even quieter again. So as an air cooler, it's very quiet. I quite like it. It's pretty good, and it does reduce the temperatures by a couple of degrees. You can feel it's colder, but it's no match for an air conditioner, of course. So, you know, it's not bad. I think it retailed for about a couple £100. but I probably wouldn't pay anywhere near that. So if you can get it for a bit of a deal, it's not bad.